buy one ticket and go.
Couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole.
Wow, still dark. Good morning, wherever you are. Good evening, wherever part of the world you are. Yeah. This man, all of our 777 back at it again. This is what I'm doing for reverse. Anything. It's reversing. Yes, it's a man, all of our 777 back at it again. Going out early this morning. And still dark as I can see. Yeah. It's almost 6 o'clock here in the Caribbean, but it's still dark. Yeah, look at that. And I'm like, you can see the road. Still dark. But as the motto goes, heights of great man reach and kept are not attained by sudden flight. But they while their companion slept, I was hustling through the night. That is it. So yeah, it's further down in the year. It will, when you reach 6 o'clock, start to see time there. Further down in the year to get bright up. Yeah. So let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll out. Yeah, so just stick and stay. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe! Woo! Yes, people out here waiting to get bus. Going off to work. Yeah. So we're gonna hit the highway soon. So this is how we do it in Cayman. Have to start early. Yeah. So it's a man hold the fire. I don't know, love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. So, and see, the road up. See, I'm gonna point for myself too much because it's really dark in here. It's really dark in here. Yeah. We are on a rollout. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. So it's like night, but just early morning. Further on in the year, it will be light out at this time, long time. It's a new gas station, new Rubis gas station. Yeah. So stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Let me take you with me on my journey here in Grand Cayman. Yeah. As I say, stick and stay, don't go nowhere. That is it. One fire, all fire, love what you do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. Yeah. So? And we're gonna see people, I'm sure I'm gonna see people this time out exercising. We on a roll out, let's go, let's go. We gonna roll out, yeah. I think the next thing I like with Cayman is right along the highway there's light. So So the highway is always light up, it's not dark. Yeah. So you can almost drive without any light. Yeah. You see? Those few lights, those that are not working right now, but it's light up. Most of the highway is light up. Yeah. Can't believe this is early morning. Whoa. It's early morning. Somebody there running. Person exercising. Yeah, somebody exercising, yeah. Let's roll out. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Somebody else exercising. Yeah. So they have on the light so you can see them. And there is another cyclist doing in things, same way. Yeah. That is it. And this is a Hummer H3. Yeah. So the stick and steel. Not going away. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Yeah. So out here with no fear. With no fear, no fear, no fear. Yes, babes. Early morning settings. So we gonna roll out. Let's go, let's go. So it's 4 minutes after 6 now. Seems like I could sleep some more, man. Didn't even realize out there was this dark. Yeah. And now it's kind of chilly in the island. Yeah, it's chilly. So I can imagine you guys in the heights. The Caribbean is so chilly. Much more the ice. And we don't have snow here. Oh boy. Me no grudge you no. Stay with no ice. I stay in my Caribbean. I will visit but not live. We gonna roll out. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Oh Lord. And I'm yarning, peeps. I'm yarning. Alright, I'm gonna do it some more sleep. Seems like I could do with some more sleep. But I had to get up. Actually, I'm awake for a long time, so after 4. Because I got to my bed very early. So I think I get my 8 hours sleep. Yeah. We gonna roll out. Let's go, let's go. When I start work early still, better for me still I can get to finish early. Yeah. That's the thing about doing mobile detailing and car wash. Yeah, I get to go home early most of the times. So we are on Westby Road and the road is busy in the early morning here. me? Early. This is what it's like in the early morning here on Westclear Road. Yeah. But as a look, it's daylight still. Sure, I'm going near right here. That's one, that's two. Where should I get? No, the one down here. So it's like three. Yeah, going right down here. Watercolors. Yes, peeps. So here is where I'm going. Here is where I'm going, peeps. So I should come early, so I'm here early. I'm here early. So stick and stay and light up my link on the back. Yes, peeps, I'm finished with the one now. So stick and stay as we go for another one. It's the daylight out now. Yeah, that is it.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still.
So there we go, folks. It's another one. So finish up that one here. Stick and stay. Don't go no one fire, hold fire. So yes, peeps, this is the second one. So I bring you back now. And go for one more. Yeah. So just stick and stay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold.
Yes, peeps, so this is the third one. And you see that what? That's a Bentley. And if I scratch this, I can buy a ticket and go back to Jamaica if I ever scratch it. Stick and stay. Because I never touch this. If I never just scratch it,
Yeah.
I just buy one ticket and go home.
Very funny, man.
I just buy one ticket and go home.
I want to do that.
Because I'm going to pay much $1,000 for it. It is. So. That is it, quick and fast. Quick and fast. That is it, peeps. One fire, whole fire. So fire moving or fire burn fast. Look, fire burn out. peeps, that one I done now. So I'm gonna carry back and go back to another one. Be too keen and careful, it's not careful.
Can't put in them at all. Eh? Oh, alright. Fat machine. Essa massagem.
Yeah. Yes, peeps, is another one. The stick and stay. So yes, peeps, this is the last one. Yeah. So we'll finish here. And I'll probably get some breakfast. They're here from after 6. Wow, and it's 9:49 now. I'm did 4 people here, so that was quick down. Alright, that is it. Stick and stay.
Oh.
Yes, babe, so I'm back again. I remember some left it. Camera and I back. Yeah, so that is it. Stick and stay. I'm sure now I go and race a day.
Can't undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but